You ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Corbin. Happy birthday to you and many more. What are you looking at?
Yay!
You see your cake right there? Ooh, yummy.
Yummy!
You want a piece of it? You can have a piece. You have to sit down, okay? He said, give me some cake. You want a piece of it? You got a knife? Oh, you're fussing. How come you're fussing?
Crazy hand. What should I give him?
Oh, just a little corner. It's got chocolate and all kinds of stuff in it. Eat your cake. It's your birthday.
Yay!
I think he just likes smashing it.
Corbin smash. There you go.
Eat it. Put it in your mouth.
Here. 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 There you go. Here. Here. Here, take it. In your mouth. Yeah, there you go.
He almost.
So close. Here you go. Look, watch Daddy. Nom 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 nom.